Hello friends!
I'm Joud.
And I'm Donia and we are
Food Explorers.
We are food explorers. Come join us friends and let's explore what's in this mystery bag together. Are you ready, Joud? Yes? Okay, close your eyes and let's put your hand inside. Open your eyes. Did you find something inside?
Yeah.
And what do you feel? Can you tell us what do you feel?
It's long.
Long. Okay.
And it's tall.
Long, tall. What else? Can you tell me one more thing? What do you feel? Is it
It's big.
big? So now it's tall, it's big, and is it rough or is it smooth? What do you feel?
Smooth.
Smooth, okay. And do you think you have a clue what's inside?
No, it's a lattice.
You said no and then it's a lattice? You think it's a lattice? What do you think, friends? Did you guess? Let's check. Take it out and tell them ta-da.
Ta-da!
Wow, that's a romaine lattice. Joud found lattice inside the mystery bag. You told us it's long. That's true. It comes in medium to big size. True. And you said it's smooth. Let's feel it. Is it smooth?
Yeah.
Yes, and it has folds. Do you see all these folds, friends, in the lattice? And what do we call this part of the lattice, Joud? What do we call this part? Are these the leaves?
leaves.
Yes, and this one is the... Yes, that's the leaf. And this is the stem.
Stem.
How do you think lettuce grow? So lettuce, is it a vegetable?
Yeah.
Yes. How do you think it grows?
On the plant.
On the plant? You mean on the ground?
No, on the tree.
On the tree. Lettuce grows on the tree. You think they grow up on the tree and we pick them to eat them? That's interesting. But actually, lettuce grow on top of the ground like this.
No, up the tree.
Oh, actually, lettuce, they start having small roots. They have shallow roots that grow under the ground, and then the leaves will start growing like this, bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and then that's the lettuce growing on top of the ground, and we pull it up. It's already, all the leaves are up, are above the ground.
They're not up.
They're above the ground.
They're above the ground.
Yes. And Joud, is it crisp? Let's see. Try. Try with your hand. Try to squish this part. Did you hear? Okay, now let's try and eat. See, is it crunchy?
From here?
Crunchy? Is it bitter or sweet?
What should I say with this?
What does it taste like?
Sweet.
Sweet. Is it watery? Do you know that lettuce leaf have 95% of water? So when we are feeling thirsty and if there's no water beside us and we have lettuce, it keeps us hydrated. True, but it's always good to keep drinking water. Lettuce comes in different sizes, shapes, and colors. They start with dark green, we have light green, and then we have also reddish lettuce. And they have so many shapes. I have here a romaine lettuce. This is a big lettuce. As you can see, the leaves are all folded together, but sometimes they don't come like this. They come open. And look here. Wait.
See?
Yeah. Do
Okay.
you see, friends?
See, this is open like this.
Yes. And the outer leaves usually are darker in color. And these are, let's show them, wait. And this is the inside of it. They are lighter in color.
Yes.
The darker the color, the more nutritious it is.
This is small lettuce. And this is a bit like this.
Wow, so it has the bigger leaves from outside and then they get smaller from inside?
See? A bit.
Wow,
See.
that's interesting. So that's one kind of lettuce. Other kinds of lettuce, we have a crisp head lettuce. They come into like a small soccer ball and the leaves are all tight and closed on each other, like this one. And as you can see here,
I open it.
yes, you can eat that. And there is also other kinds of lettuce that are called butterhead that they also come smaller in size than the round one, but they come open like a rose, like this one. And the colors differ and we have many shapes. We have curly leaves, some have smooth leaves, some have thin leaves. The taste of them depends. Usually they are slightly bitter, but in hot weather, the leaves get more bitter in taste. The stem is edible, so this romaine lettuce, you can eat the leaves and we eat the stem also. And you can add the lettuce to your salads. It adds some crunchiness. It helps us feel more full and helps our digestive tract keep going. It's because it's loaded in fibers. This is the stem. If you peel it, it's yummy and crunchy from inside. And mainly we eat this lettuce leaves raw in salads and fresh, but in some countries, for example in Asia, they eat the lettuce cooked. Interesting facts, right? Now we're going to draw the lettuce where it grows. Jude, where did we say the lettuce grow?
On the plant.
On the plant or on the ground?
On the ground.
Yes. So we are going to draw our lettuce here. And Jude is going to color it. Draw with us. Our lettuce is ready, and that's a butterhead lettuce, true?
Yeah.
I have something interesting. Before we read and discover another letter in our book that we are reading, I want you to get an empty cup that's clear so that you can see what's happening. And you need some water. And you need lettuce. So this is we are going to try and plant the lettuce and put it in water, and we can see the roots coming from downwards, and then we will see some lettuce leaves coming upward. So we're going to cut the bottom, take some leaves out. Let's pull some leaves out. Pull. No, pull them out, put them in the plate. Okay. And you see, some leaves are going to grow out from here. Can you pour some water inside you, please?
Okay.
Here. That's enough. And let's put this inside. The stem downwards. And let it touch the water. Every 2 days, change the water and put clean water. Put it beside a window so that it can have some sun, and then watch what will happen. That's what happens next week. Interesting? Okay, now let's put everything on the side and let's read eating the alphabet, fruits and vegetables from A to Z. We discovered fruits and vegetables that start with letter A.
And then letter
B.
B. And then C.
C. And today we're going
to
letter D, E, and F. Today we're going to cover 3 letters. So friends, letter D. Do you know what's that, Jude? That's dates. Dates are kind of a dried fruits. And that's letter E. We have
Broccoli.
Broccoli? No, that's endive. It's from the family of the lettuce. It's similar to the lettuce. True? And then with E, we have eggplant. And
Two eggplants.
2 eggplants. I see 3. 1, 2, 3. And we have figs.
Figs. And the figs of
Fig are fruits. We
It's
can
cut.
eat them fresh or also we can eat them dried. So that's our book for today. We learned so much information about lettuce and we ate and we planted a lettuce. Okay, what should we tell our friends now? Eat well,
Eat well.
stay well.
Stay well.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.